Welcome to a journey into the world of cold-pressed cooking oils, where flavor meets health and the magic of ancient techniques is revealed. Dive with us into the process of cold pressing, a method that extracts oil from seeds and nuts at a temperature below 60 degrees Celsius. Cold-pressed oils are obtained naturally by crushing oil seeds at room temperature. They are made without adding extra heat and have no harmful chemicals, and so they are the healthiest variant of oil available to us. This low-heat technique keeps the oil's natural properties intact, preserving the nutrients that are often lost in commercially refined oils. Cold-pressed oil stops the bad cholesterol level and boosts good cholesterol in the body to keep your heart healthy. It is also rich in plant sterol, which helps to reduce the risk of heart attacks. Imagine savoring a dish cooked in an oil that retains the authentic flavor and aroma of its source. That's the magic of cold-pressed oils. They offer a rich, unadulterated taste that's a treat to the palate, elevating even the simplest of dishes to gourmet status. As said earlier, these oils are free of harmful chemicals. Commercial refining processes often use harsh chemicals to extract and purify oils, but cold pressing is a pure mechanical process, making these oils a healthier choice. Cold-pressed oil is less processed than other oils, meaning that it retains more of the nutrients and antioxidants. It is a healthier and more environmentally friendly option than oil extracted through other methods. However, quality comes at a price. Cold-pressed oils can be a bit more expensive than their commercially refined counterparts. They also have a lower smoke point, making them less suitable for high-heat cooking. But the health benefits they offer are worth considering. Cold-pressed oils are heart-friendly. They're rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels. They're also packed with antioxidants, defending your body against harmful free radicals. And they may even aid in weight management as they help you feel full, reducing the urge to overeat. So why should you include cold-pressed oils in your diet? Apart from their health benefits, these oils are versatile. You can use them for everything from salad dressings to light sautéing, adding a burst of flavor to your meals. There are numerous brands offering high-quality cold-pressed oils today. Each has its unique selling points, from their choice of source materials to their extraction methods and packaging. These oils are easily available online. Many websites offer a wide range of cold-pressed oils, and some even offer discounts, making it easier for you to make the switch. In conclusion, cold-pressed oils are nutrient-rich, flavorful, and devoid of harmful chemicals. They might be a bit pricier and less suitable for high-heat cooking, but their health benefits make them worth considering. So why not give cold-pressed oils a try? Add a dash of health and flavor to your meals. And remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. Enjoy the journey to a healthier lifestyle with cold-pressed oils. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check the video description and browse through some of the best options of buying cold-pressed cooking oil online from reputed brands. And finally, thanks for watching the video. Have a nice and a healthy day every day and stay blessed. Thank you.